through assemblies inside Togal.AI. The problem with doing assemblies the traditional way is it's almost two-step estimating. You would do your measurements in one tool, you would then upload it into Excel or a CSV file. And the problem with that is you run into some chances of human error, where either you copy and paste into the wrong Excel or you're free typing those numbers in incorrectly. Inside Togal, we've developed assemblies to be able to count whatever material you want to any of your linear or area measurements. It's not AI prejudging the material. It still wants you to verify that information. So you're not losing touch with the job. You're just controlling it much, much faster. So let's take a look at how to create an assembly. It starts in our library here. We will just go to create new assembly. We can call it whatever we want. We'll call this one interior wall. Change your classification type from area to linear. You can put a description in here if need be, but the next step would be our assembly builder. What do we want to calculate on this linear wall? We start by adding some components. This pop-up window over on the left will appear. You can select as much as you want. You can select 2, 3, 4, 5 of anything and everything. You can start from bottom up and grab your bottom plate, your studs, your top plate, and you can see it start to get a 3D rendering over here for some visual confirmation. I'll continue. I'll grab some insulation, maybe some wall sheets, finishes, anything and everything that you're going to want. Joint, tape, corner beads, screws. All you're going to do once you select your components is add your material. So I'll start at the bottom with my bottom plate here. I'll select the material. I'll just free type in stud. We've got plenty of different things in here, whether we're using metal studs or wood studs, whatever it may be. You've got pressure treated 2x4s, 2x6s. You can add your own things in here if need be, but I'm just going to select a couple random ones. Once you select your material, then you're just going to fill out your information down here. How many bottom plates do we want counted? Are we just using 1? Are we using 2? What length are we purchasing these things in? It's already got, your formula's already set up for you to calculate on your assembly. I'll do the same thing with the studs. Grab whatever we want here. I'm going to grab some structural 2x4s. Again, input all your standard information here. Maybe 12-foot lengths, 16-inch spacing. Do we want extra per corner, per intersection, maybe opening? Again, you're controlling all this info. You can add waste factors in here as well if need be, whatever you're comfortable with. Unit costs, if you want to do some pricing per 2x4. Whatever type of information you get back is really up to you. So I've selected material for the rest of my components here. All I'll do is just click the Save As, and now my assembly is saved so I can back up here. So I have my interior wall selected. Now what's nice is here I can duplicate this. If I want to build another one, I have interior wall copy, which I have most of the things I'm going to need. If I wanted to just make a party wall here, I can just come by and start to edit some of this information, and just double everything up. So it made 3 assemblies real quick for interior, party wall, and exterior wall. Now the next step would be to come back to our floor plan. Now that we're here, I have these interior walls already mapped out. I've got about 1,300 linear feet. I can right click and edit these. Now I have a pre-saved custom formula in here to give me kind of a basic stud count. These custom formulas, you can write in anything you want. They're essentially just Excel formulas. A lot of people use something like this for studs, and they add 10 or 15% for it first to start getting a ballpark of stud counts. The assemblies icon up here is where we're going to add our assemblies. So I just created these interior walls, so I'm going to apply that. And then we can repeat that process for our exterior walls and our party walls. So now we've added assemblies to all of our walls. Let's take a look at the export. To access it, we just go to Export to Excel. In our export portion here, you can see our interior walls, exteriors, and party wall assemblies. And as I scroll over to the right, I'm able to see my quantities of all my totals for studs, top plate, pricing, counts, everything you need. There's a number of different ways you can group and organize your data to move things around, total them up, one column versus the next. That part's kind of up to you, and we'll show you how to do that in some training. But the next step from here would just be clicking this Excel button, download, and it's just going to go right into a CSV file. So from there, you can do with what you need. To book a custom demonstration on your set of plans so we can show you the assemblies live, just go to our website, fill out your information, and we'll book a time together.